This is a bonus lesson about what is the rule relating to graphs. Pause the video, have a go in your own time. You've got to try and describe the rule for each of these 5 graphs. Okay, and I'm just going to write the answers on, which I'll try and do in a different colour. Remember, it doesn't have to be y equals x, but I'm just kind of simplifying things at this stage. And do you know what? I'm going to say it's not wrong. Anyway. Right, there you go. Those are the answers. I mean, that's the end of the video. So maybe you did that quickly and you're like, wow, that was quick. I'll see you in the next video. I'm going to talk this through. If you're finding this difficult, maybe go back and do some more other ones where you just have the individual points to plot. And if you go to my playlist for my free ebook, which has over 100 videos in it, there's some more graph ones, and go and see materials from other teachers as well. Okay, so this one, oh look, if I look at these points, the values of x are different for each one. So it's obviously y that's fixed. Happy. Which is exactly the same argument for this. Oh look, the x values vary, but the y value is always the same. Happy there. Similar argument here. Oh look, the y values are different, but the x value is always the same, and here the x value is minus 2.5, because it doesn't have to be a whole number, doesn't have to be a positive, it could be anything. I mean, that could have been minus 7/10, and then, well, then the answer is minus 7/10. Could be anything. Or it could have been minus pi, so then the answer is minus pi. Anyway. Right. This one here, y equals x. Oh, look, it's a straight line. You can kind of see that y is always the same as x. Y is always the same as x. I'm just going to briefly address, yeah, that'll do. As a brief aside, oh, it could have been y equals 2x, or y equals kx, or y equals a half x. But we're just pretending that it is y equals x for the moment, just to keep it simple. This one here, oh look, it's been raised by 2. So here, if we draw a table, let's draw the table where x is 0, y is 2. And then we could, if we could actually read the axes, which we can't because I didn't put any numbers on them, we'd be able to see that, well, when x is 2, y is 4. Oh look, when x is minus 2, y is 0. Again, you can't actually read it off here, I'm just sort of pretending. Anyway, oh look, if we just look at these numbers, x, well, let's say y is always 2 greater than x. Therefore, if we say that in English, y is equal to x with 2 added to it. How do we say that in maths language? We write that equation to represent the idea that y is equal to x with 2 added to it. There you go. Some thoughts. See you in the next video.